Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a Ulta haul, and these are actually I've included the 21-day sale going on right now too. It is still going on. It's like it's still going to be there for a few more days, but this is all what I picked up. I don't think I'll pick up anything else. I know next they have the Too Faced chocolate bar palette, which I probably will pick it. I don't know. I'm not sure. I will see, because I returned the semi-sweet chocolate palette that I had got from TJ Maxx. I actually ended up returning that. I didn't want to keep that because I really was wanting the chocolate palette. So I was like, okay, what if I find some other palette that I like, and and then I'll feel bad. Already having that other one. So I returned that chocolate long back. After I did the haul, I had returned it. So I may go check out the chocolate bar palette. I don't know. Let's see. But this is what I got now so far. And I think only one item is from the 21-day sale, but the rest is just like, I had got some stuff from there to try. I got this. This is my packet actually, and I got this lip duo. This is the MAC lip duo with the Spice lip pencil and matte lipstick persistence. And I really wanted the lipstick, the persistence lipstick, and I was thinking that I'm going to get that with my back to MAC thing, where you give 6 things and get a lipstick, free lipstick. But I think I'm eyeing another lipstick which is called Marrakesh, I think, and that you can only get at the MAC stores. Like, I saw that it's not available in Ulta, so you can only get at MAC stores, and I think MAC store is the only one that actually takes, does that back to MAC thing. So that's why I thought, okay, let me pick that with the 6 items thing. And this, because it was coming with the lip pencil, and it is, I think, $27. And they also, even Macy's has this on their website. So I picked this up from Ulta actually. So I really love this. The persistence has become my favorite lipstick from MAC right now. And I do love the Spice lip liner. I have the Spice in like other brand. Like, I think I have the NYX NYX lip pencil in Spice. And I think maybe I even have the... I think I have the Milani one too in Spice, but I just like that Spice color. So, and this is like such a popular color, so I got this, and this is really nice. I do like this Spice pencil, and I'm glad that I got this set because both the colors in this set are beautiful. And persistence is like my favorite nude right now, and I have worn this on many videos, because I picked this up long back actually when it just came out. This was like a new duo that came out at that time, maybe a month back. I picked it up because they have like the other duos. I have the Meher lipstick with the Soar lip liner duo, which I had picked up like very long back, and that's what I have on my lips today. I have the Meher lipstick, and I love that pink. It goes with the olive, like, Indian tone very nicely. So that the Meher lipstick, that's what I have here, MAC lipstick. That's a matte too, and the persistence is also a matte. So I wanted the persistence or the taupe. I was like thinking of which one, but I think the persistence looks better on me. I had tried it at the MAC place long back, so I remember like the persistence was much more brighter on me. So that's why this is a really good duo if you're looking for a nude lipstick. And you're not like that nudie person, but you like a little bit of the darker nude. This is really good. So this is the lipstick and persistence, and it is also a matte lipstick. And there you go. Beautiful brown. It has like some kind of like light peachiness to it, and that's why it looks bright on my lip. I really love it. Up was this thing in the NYX. This is like a new product or something, like new thing. The NYX powder to powder puff lippy. NYX. I just wanted to see the formula on this, so that's the only reason I picked this up. I just picked one, which is like an everyday color that I could use, and I do like it. And it does not dry the lip or anything. It's kind of like how the NYX soft matte lip creams are. They are like so affordable, and like everyday you can do like everyday kind of wear with them, and and they don't dry your lips or anything. So I really love them. So this, I really liked this. Only thing was that thing, the sponge dip. I don't know, like how good hygienic that is to be like using it all the time, and then maybe a lot of product I feel like goes wasted on it, but it's still a good product on the lips though. So I just got this color, which is kind of like a color that I would definitely use, so that's why I got it. And this color is what is this? Moody. And this is how it looks. It's very different, so that's why I wanted to try and see. And I've already tried, and I think I wore it in one of the which videos. I'm going to put that in the description box. One of the previous videos I did, I wore this. I just don't remember which video. Yeah, I just don't remember. Maybe the TJ Maxx haul, maybe that's the video that I wore this. I'm not sure, but this is how it looks. And then you kind of press the tube, and then the product comes on there. And it's a very, this color is very beautiful. I like this color. So it's like a mauve color, mauve and purple tone to it. So I like this. This is Moody. So I actually liked it. I have tried it a few days, and I do like it. But will I get another one? I don't. Maybe not. Just for trying, I got it, but maybe not, just because I have too many lipsticks and stuff, so I don't want to get anything. And then I wanted to I know this is definitely good, but that's why I got this in mini size, because I have this in light, which I've been using for a long time. And I had got the light color because I wanted to mix it with my foundation and use it at that time, because I have the MAC NC40, which is a little bit darker for me, like a little bit orangey. So I try to mix that with the SPF usually, or moisturizer, whatever, and try to use it on my skin. And I still have the the foundation left, because I have not used it completely. I still have like the NC40 left, because I have my NC35 is my correct match, but I'm not buying it because I still have this left, and I have other foundations, so I'm like trying not to buy any more foundations. I have the other one too. I have the Cover Girl one that I've been using. I have that one, and then I have some samples that I've been using. So it's like I don't want to buy right now. So I usually mix this SPF. So I thought I'll try the medium to wear like on its own. So I got this in mini size, medium. And also the main reason to do all this purchase is because I have few more dollars that I had to spend to become platinum for the next year. So I thought, okay, let me just get the things I need and just be done with that. So this is in the medium, and I've already tried it, and it is actually good. Good match actually. So I can, like, you can use this on its own, like without mixing it with any foundation or anything. So I wanted to try that in the mini size. And then I got this Invisibobbles, the strong grip hair ring, Power Woman Essential Invisibobbles. These are, like it says, power here, so which means it's much more stronger. And you guys have seen, I've showed you guys, I have the transparent one, and I have the black ones that I had got. That's the one I'm wearing right now, and I really love this. They don't like crease your hair or give headache or anything when I wear them. So to tie my hair up, I really love them. So I got this in brown. So this is like in the brown color. You can see the color, yeah, brown. So I have all three colors right now. And then what else? Oh, and then from the 21 days, I got this. I got a lot of lip liners. Actually, I got two for my friend. and then I got these 3 here, and then I also have another 2, but I think I'm going to return them. And usually they only tell you like you can buy 2 with one, like for one customer they give you only 2 because they don't try to give you more. But one of the store that I went, they actually allowed me to buy more. Because they had so much there. I mean, of course, Ulta wants to sell it, so they just, you know, I just had to do different transactions and buy them because I wanted to buy it for my friend too. So, so I got these 3 shades, and this is the Buxom Plump Lip Liner, and you guys have seen my review on the Buxom Lip Trio that I did. It had a lip gloss, lipstick, and a lip liner, and I did like the lip liner a lot. That was in the lip liner kind of pinky color. It was Dolly Danger, so I really liked that. So this is like the full size. That was like the mini size. So I picked up 3 colors. I picked up 2 more. I don't want to show them because I may return them because I think I have similar colors. So I'm like, that's too much. Like, they were $9. They usually are $18, the regular price. So they are 50% sale in this 21-day sale thing. And they were, I'm sure they'll come back again because they had so much still. Because when I went, it was like almost Ulta was closing when I was going. So I am sure that it will come back again in the next 21 days or something. It will come back again and they will sell the same things. Because same thing with the Tarte liquid lipsticks. They are the quick dry lip paints. They sold that last time also, and then it's come back again. But I don't like that formula. I've done a video on that. I don't really like that formula that much. Very drying. So so there you go, guys. So these 3 I picked up. So let me show you the colors. First one is Undercover. This is a very there were some other colors that I wanted that they didn't have, though. They had the testers there, but they didn't have the you know, pencils. So this is Undercover, and it's like a light brown, like a very neutral, like a nudie brown. And I like that. I'm going to swatch it here down here, and it, now that I'm swatching it, I can see that kind of looks like exactly like Persistence. Look at that color. It looks like this spice, which was a spice liner. I don't know. Now I forgot. I think this was, yeah, that was a spice liner, lip liner, and this was the Persistence lipstick. And this, you see, they look very similar actually. It's exactly like the Persistence colors. Yeah, spice color. So if you like the spice from MAC, then you're going to love this because this is like that everyday nudie color. So that is in Undercover. And it has this brush in the end here that you're supposed to like put this on and then kind of like, you know, brush over it. I tried this, but when I do that, I feel like it removes the product, and I didn't like it, so I'm not going to use this for that. Maybe this brush I'm going to use it for like my other, that lip palette I have, you know, for lipstick, applying lipstick, I might use it. But liquid lipsticks, yeah, but this, no. I'm not going to use this for like with this. So that is one. But I've seen one problem with this. Not really problem, but these are like the jumbo pencils, right? So, and they're very matte. I tried all the colors. I love them. They're very matte, but they are not very drying. So they are very kind of, they have that matte look, but when you're putting it on, they're not like that. Not drying at all. Not like the Prolong Wear lip pencils and all. Not like that. Not like the MAC Prolong Wear or the Urban Decay pencils. They stay for a long time, and you know, they are like they are kind of that little bit of that stickiness to them, which I like. But these don't have that. They are really smooth. So I like that they're like that jumbo pencils. But I think sharpening. Yeah, that's what I was trying. I saw some videos where they were telling like they keep sharpening it and it, you know, it doesn't sharpen well. So I don't know. I have to try with my, maybe I'll try with my Urban Decay, the sharpener, and see if that works. But this one, second one I got is in Espionage or Espionage. I don't know how you say it. It's like this beautiful color, and it's called, yeah, Espionage. I think it's Espionage. And I love this color actually. It is like it's like MAC Rebel. Yeah, like the Wet n Wild Sugar Plum MAC Rebel, that color. Beautiful color. Like really dark and like pigmented. So I love this one. Next one is, the third one is Current Affair, and I really love this color. Current Affair? Wait, what am I saying? Covert Affair. Not Current Affair. Covert Affair. There it is. Covert Affair. Oh, still don't know how to show it. Okay, here. Covert Affair. And this is that like a reddish color. I don't know how to say. Okay, let me put it here. What would this be similar to? Kind of like chili, MAC chili, I guess. See that? MAC chili, yeah. MAC lipstick in chili. So kind of like that. A little more red in it. So like that reddish, brownish, orangish color. I love this. So that's the Covert Affair. So that's the third one. And then the two more I picked up was actually, another one was Anonymous something. And then I forgot the last one actually. So there are two more. I am not showing those because I may return them. So I don't want to swatch them. I didn't want to even show them. So that one. And then they gave me these 2 free samples just because I got like, I did all different transactions in order to do, because you can take 2 at a time. So I did 2, and then I did 2, and then I got for my friend 2. So I kind of did like, I think 3 transactions. So they gave me this sample, the David Beckham Greater Look. I didn't even know David Beckham does any moisturizers. This is a face moisturizer. Tiny face moisturizer. And then I got this coats. I really wanted to try this one though. This is the Face Natural Tinted SPF 40 cream in coats. SPF cream. So I have heard a lot about this brand, so I wanted to try it anyway. So it's a good way to try this now, sample. So that's all from Ulta, guys. The only thing I think I am eyeing with the 21-day sale now, or whichever is left out now, is like the chocolate palette. So which I may get, may not get, I don't know. If I get it, I'll share it with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. And if you're on my channel for the first time, please subscribe and like and comment below and share if you can, and turn the notifications on so that you can see when whenever I upload any new video. So thank you so much, guys. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye, guys.